Okay, we got the inside of our ice cream truck done. We got our screens up and all that good stuff. The next step is the Fiamma Eagle 65 awning, and we're going to be using the official Fiamma brackets, which clip right into the ProMaster mounting hooks, which are factory installed. This is a no drill kit. You don't have to drill. You simply use the hardware and secure the awning to the official Chrysler mounting hooks. Our van, it is imperative you get the brackets in the right spot. Again, all this is mounted on these factory installed mounting tabs. So you don't have to, there's no drilling. There's no drilling involved. You just use the factory hardware or the factory mounting system, and it just locks into place. Bolt that down, and the awning should hopefully fit right in this track here. So, alright, well, keep making progress. Okay, the supervisor is here to make sure we're doing a good job. Evidently we are. Supervisor's leaving. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Eagle 65 manual awning, and we just got it on our ice cream truck. I used the two big brackets, forward and aft. If you see our van, stop in and say hi.